on your case, I would offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love.
So make the best of these days and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable and in the end it's right. I hope you have the time of your life.
I believe I will find you. Darling, set your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Others who broke my heart, they were like northern stars, pointing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God bless the broken road and led me straight